I'm gonna show you how to make a if your kids like, then you can use a little bit, very little amount of sugar, but I didn't prefer sugar. But if your kid like, you can take a sugar as well. See, it seems like this. It's almost done. And if you want, you can add any other nuts as well. And I just took this strawberry like this. I just chopped it this, and I just decorate it, and the cold oats, you can say it's porridge as well. It seems like this. I love it very much. And if you want, you can decor with the many other different kind of fruits as well. You don't need to take this strawberry. It seems like this. Oh wow, I love it. Oats like this with fruit, it is one of the best solution to them who are suffering from constipation. Not only kids, any age group, they can use this kind of food. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and it helps. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the below if you have any kind of questions. Thank you.